What's going on, everybody? JR from JR's Cars, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the TPMS sensors in any late model GM without using any special tools. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to get it done. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to show you how to get this done without any special tools. If you were to take this to a shop, basically what they're going to do is put the car in programming mode, and then they're going to use a handheld scanner to put next to each one of these wheels that will activate the sensor itself, and it will go through the whole learn procedure that way. You don't need to do that for any of these GMs. It's a very basic, simple step. I'll show you how to do this. It's very easy to do. Anybody can do it. Basically, all you need is something that you can push on the valve stem to allow some of the air to come out of the wheel. By doing that, it's going to wake up the sensor, and it will activate to the car itself. So first thing we have to do is get it into programming mode. So I'll show you how to do that on this Pontiac Touring here. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to get in the car, you want to turn it to the on position. And then what you'll do is you'll look on your dashboard here. You have these three buttons here. You're going to press this one for information until you get to the tire locations. Press the check button to learn. You'll go ahead and hit that. You hear that the horn honked. Now it's going into tire learning. So what you want to do now is you want to turn your headlights off, because we have the auto headlights. And as we come outside of the car, what we're going to see is you're going to see it always is going to start with the left front tire first. See, it'll put that marker light on. If you look at the others around here, you don't see that those lights are on. This is telling you that the car is looking for the driver's side front one first. So what we'll do is we'll let some air out of this tire, and you'll hear when the horn honks. That way it knows that that's the tire that it's looking for, and that's how it's going to learn it. So let's get that done. Okay, so at this point you just want to go in there and let some air out of the tire until you hear the horn honk. And there it is. Now it learned the driver's side front, and the light went off. So now if you look around the car, now it's on the passenger side front tire. So that light has changed over to here. So now we're going to do the same procedure over here. We'll wait until the horn honks. Sometimes it takes a little bit, so don't be afraid. All right, so that one is learned now. So now we're going to come across the back side of the car, and you'll see that the passenger side rear light is on. So now it's going to look for this one to do the same thing. And again, we'll follow the same procedure. And it just honked. So now this one is complete. The light is out. And now, finally, we're on the driver's side rear. That light is on. So let's do the same process here. There you go. So it honked once to let you know that that wheel was learned, and then it honked 2 more times to let you know that it's now complete. And now the tire learn has been complete. Turn the car back off. And then what you're going to want to do, obviously, is to go either, if you have a compressor, fill your tires back up, or go take it over to wherever you fill your tires up. And that's it. That's all there is to it. No special tools needed. All right, and just like that, it's all set and ready to go. So now at this point, like I said before, you're going to have to fill up your tires again. I just completed that, and each tire was roughly around like 22, 23 PSI. So you want to make sure that you have access to either a gas station that has a pump, or if you have a compressor or an air pump. You definitely want to make sure that you're getting air back in those tires, because you don't want to run them low like that. All right, now this Pontiac Torrent, we were able to access the Learn procedure from within the settings on the dashboard. There are some GM models that don't have that. So what you're going to have to do is turn the key to the on position, and then on the key fob that you have, you're going to push and hold the lock and the unlock buttons at the same time until you hear the horns honk like it did before when it went into programming mode. At that point, you'll be able to go out and follow the procedure. The procedure itself, like I said, it's always going to be driver side front, passenger side front, passenger side rear, driver side rear to complete the process. So do me a favor, if this helped you out, smash that like button, comment below, and subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot more content coming out to you. I do have another review coming very, very soon, probably by next weekend, and hopefully that'll be a good one for you. So I hope everybody's staying safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.